It is day 33 of 91 living on a cruise ship, and today is all about the spa, but not just for me. In a little bit, you're gonna see Pete in the spa getting a haircut as well, so keep watching. People ask me all the time, Chris, where do you get your hair done? Where do you get your nails done? And do you get a discount on these things? Well, I can use the spa on board, and yes, we do get a discount. We'll talk about that more later because right now we're at lunch. I wanted to go upstairs and grab a salad. I love this bread. It has bacon on it. Of course, I love it. And we are going to take this back to the room because I do have some work to do. After lunch, I took a nap, and now we are back at the spa because I need to get my nails done. First tipping goes, I tipped $20 for my nails. Now here is Pete. He showed up to get his hair done.
Hi.
Pete is going to get his hair cut. So we'll take video of you getting your hair cut. How does that sound?
Well, I don't know if that's a good idea.
I'm still over getting my nails done, but let's run over here and see how Pete's doing. Whoa, buddy.
Maybe you have a picture from like in, before I joined, with, how it looked like?
I don't.
Of course you have.
You want to say hi to everybody?
Yeah. Hello.
Dane's cutting all Pete's hair off.
It is not so much anymore. So.
Look at you. There's Cassie.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go.
No.
I'm standing here outside your door. Hate to wake you up to say goodbye. And lovely.
Martina.
Yeah, thank you. Martina. And look at this color is called lobster. Lobster. We like it. That's all.
Hi, Pete.
Hi.
He looks good. This is the new uniform for the Holland America Zondam. It's quite attractive.
Nails are all done. Martina did them. Say
Good
hi.
job, Martina. Wow.
And
those-
Martina is from, Martina, where are you from?
Jamaica.
Yay! We like Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay,
that-
let's go check out Pete's hair.
Look how pretty she is.
No. Oh, you still look good. Look at that.
Hi.
Oh, Dane, you did good.
Hi, ladies.
Okay, he's getting product in. Look at
Oh,
that.
spike.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Now I need also the barber.
It's really nice. What does everybody think? I love this new hairstyle. Wow, that looks good, Dane. Sir, you can come to my cabin tonight, okay?
Oh, wow.
See, come by me so we can all get in video. Say bye, everyone.
Bye. I have to go home tomorrow, but these two are going to stay here, and he's going to keep her out of trouble. Yeah?
Nah.
That's difficult.
Okay, so mom and dad are coming tomorrow, and they're gonna be on board for how many months, Pete?
2 months.
2 months.
What is tomorrow, 19th, until March 16th?
Yep. So you'll be seeing the parents tomorrow.
And then you send me home alone?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Now we're upstairs because it's 7:35 Pacific time. We need to go get some dinner. Pete just changed into his white top and his epaulettes. He does have to wear a uniform upstairs to eat. Right, babe?
Yeah.
And yeah, he has to put his name tag on. So we're gonna head to dinner. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.